In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space in Google Chat. Whether you need a dedicated area for team collaboration or just a place to share ideas with friends, setting up a space can really streamline your communication. Let's dive into the process together. First, you'll want to open Google Chat. You have a couple of options here. If you prefer using a dedicated app, you can access it from your mobile device or desktop. Alternatively, if you're working on your computer, you can open Google Chat directly within Gmail. It's quite convenient as it's integrated right into the same interface. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the new chat button. This button serves as the gateway to starting fresh conversations or creating a new space. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking New Chat Yosas, you'll see an option that says Create a Space. Click on this option to start setting up your space. Now comes the fun part, naming your space. This is your opportunity to be descriptive and specific. A good name helps everyone understand the purpose of the space right away. Think about the group or the topic you'll be discussing and choose something that clearly communicates that purpose. While this next step is optional, it's a chance to add a bit more personality to your space. Consider adding a description to provide more context. This could be a brief overview of what the space is about or the objectives you'd like to achieve together. Additionally, you can select an emoji to act as an avatar for the space. This can make your space more visually identifiable and even inject a little fun into the setup. Once you've named your space and, if desired, added a description and an avatar, it's time to finalize everything. Simply click the Create button, and just like that, your new space is set up and ready to go. Now, you and your team members or friends have a dedicated area for all your communications, ideas, and updates. Creating a space in Google Chat is a simple yet powerful way to enhance collaboration and communication. By following these steps, you'll be able to quickly establish a space that's tailored to your specific needs, whether they're professional or personal. Remember, a well-organized space can help ensure that everyone stays on the same page, making your interactions more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create the perfect space for your needs.